Charles wizire mu mbere ilema ngoma umusinga wa Rwenzururu akakwatwa ahabero 27 byo ku 11 2016 ubu habaho okurwanangana hagati yabyo kwerinda hamwe nabo businga bwa Rwenzururu kandi abantu barkwika igana bakaferwa amagara gabo ecyarugirireho umusinga kukwatwa hamwe n'abakuumi be okusya orwa kabiri rw'esandeji obare kwirwe bwa nyuma yo kwihwaho emishango erizoba bayakiirwa omu district ya Kasese. Joseph Kule Mulanga enganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu yasima gavumenti ahabukorekora abantu babo.
Now the Musinga is free to come and visit his people, go everywhere he wants, and all these the ones who are brought, the 62 are now free to do whatever they want, including those who are on bail. The 146 people were brought earlier.
Ogu kuyabuzubwa ahashonga zo kwija ko musinga wa Rwenzururu yatugira ngo government neza kubanza yamombekera aho kutura.
We have to make arrangements. First, we have to make sure that he has where to stay, because his place of abode was destroyed. And we are organizing a house somewhere, but meanwhile, if he comes, we shall get where he can stay. Meanwhile, government is also going to build for him. Government bought land worth 150 million, and the Ministry of Defense is going to construct a palace for him.
What I know is things are not the same. Some women have gotten married to other men. Some children are no longer going to school. Some children have gotten very many problems. The situation is not the same.
So wedi kitanywa omunyishengero wa Busongola nos we yashaba abatura kureba ngo bakorana mani babingo bworo.
We need to focus on areas of development. There is no kingdom. There is no traditional leader who can come meet his people who are very poor.
The last excitement will be when the king himself arrives here. We are happy that the king is being prepared to come to the soil, and when the king comes, the happiness will be complete.
Konkano b'umusinga hamwe n'abakuumi be emishango bagihirweho enganzi y'obusinga Sembo Kisumbere owabira kwasurwe akiriyo muchome bwa nyuma yo kwanga kwiterezingana na government. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.